Okay, awesome. We made it to the whiteboard. Now we can jump right into the theory of what we are going to build, and I'm going to draw like a big picture of how everything is going to work out, because until now I haven't really specified how we're going to make money online, and it, you know, I didn't go into the details, but that's what we're going to do right now. So to start off, you know, how do people make money online? The simple answer is people sell stuff, right? Either they have their own product, you know, like people making supplements and you know, marketing them to people online. There's people who do drop shipping, right? They buy in products for cheap and resell them. They flip them for a higher price and keep the profit. Or, you know, they make a digital course about something, and, you know, then people can jump into a training program, which is an online training program, and sell that. But, you know, the main focus is always to sell a product, right? And especially if you're starting out, you're probably pretty, you know, hesitant to jump in and create your own product, and you're like, oh my God, what I'm going to offer to people. And the good news is that you don't need to do that, because there's a different way as to how people make money online, and they'll still sell products, but they don't sell their own products, right? So what this is called affiliate marketing. So how this works is basically, if someone has a product, right? You as an affiliate are affiliated, of course, with that product owner, and this product owner seeks out affiliates and says, listen, I got this great product. If you help me to promote the product, and if you get me new customers, I'm gonna give you a share of what I make, which is called a commission, right? So this is what this whole system is gonna be based on. So this is you, right? This is you. There we go. Nice. So you don't need your own product, right? Because we're gonna find you a great product, and I'm gonna walk you step by step through the process. We're gonna find you a great product, right? Made by, you know, this guy right here. He has a great product, right? And then he's like, hey, listen, I'm gonna set up an affiliate program. Affiliate program. Right? Where people can sign up, right? And it depends on you know, the specific affiliate program, how people can get into that. But the one we're going to focus on is a very simple one, and you can get started right away. So this product owner sets up an affiliate program, which basically allows people just like you and me, you know, to join this program. So you join this program, right? And there's a commission-based model. So this product vendor says, listen, I got this product which costs $100, right? It's $100. Now, if you get me new people, you know, into this product, right, which came through you, this looks kind of confusing, I'm sorry. But anyways, if you get these new customers to buy the product of this guy is going to pay you, let's say, 40% of those $100 in commission. So every time you manage to acquire a new customer for this guy and make somebody buy this product, you, in this scenario, in this example, are going to make $40, right? And you don't need to take care of customer service, of you know, creating your own product in the first place, you know, setting up a sales letter, or, you know, building a website, everything. Your only job is basically to get people, right, to this product and make them buy that product, right? And that's the great part about affiliate marketing, because it cuts out all of the necessary parts that you usually have to do in order to make money online. An example, to sell something, right? It cuts all of that out, and it reduces your only job to getting new customers to this product, right? So that is the power of affiliate marketing. And in the next lesson, we're going to jump into what affiliate program we're going to join, so which product we are going to focus on promoting, and how the whole commission model works of this program, which is really, this is the best affiliate program which I could find out there, and I want you to see success with it, because I had great success, and it's really there's just an enormous amount of potential in that program. So yeah, that's it for this lecture, and let's jump right into the next one.